Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be explaining how you can solve questions like this. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe so you get notified when I drop my next video. Now I can say that this should be 4 being equal to 2 raised to the power of 2. Okay, that is, I can say 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x being equal to 72. Now looking at this, I can also write this to be 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of x all squared to be equal to 72. That is 2 multiplied by x is 2x. Then x multiplied by 2 is also 2x. So it's still the same thing. So I can say let y be equal to 2 raised to the power of x. That is, I have y plus y squared to be equal to 72. Then y squared plus y. When the 72 comes to the other side, it gives us minus 72 being equal to 0. Now looking at this, it's a quadratic equation. Okay, so the question here is, what are those two values that if you multiply them, you have minus 72? Okay, and if you add them, you have plus 1. The values are 9 and minus 8. So I have this to be y squared plus 9y minus 8y minus 72 to be equal to 0. Okay, that is, this can be written to be y squared plus 9y minus 8y minus 72 to be equal to 0. Okay, now looking at this, they have something in common, which is y. So y divided by y squared gives us y. Okay, plus then 9y divided by y gives us 9. Then we have minus this, there is something common between them, which is 8. Okay, now 8y divided by 8 gives us y, minus multiplied by minus gives us positive. Okay, then 8 divided by 72 gives us 9 to be equal to 0. So now we have this to be y plus 9. Okay, if you cancel this and this, then you are left with y minus 8 to be equal to 0. So it means you have this to be y plus 9 equal to 0, or y minus 8 equal to 0. So y equal to 0. When this positive 9 goes to the other side, it gives us negative 9, or y being equal to 0. When minus 8 goes to the other side, it gives us positive 8. So we have this to be y being equal to minus 9 or 8. Okay, but we are not done. Recall, we said that let y be equal to 2 raised to the power of x. So the question is 2 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x being equal to 72. Okay, remember we said let y be equal to 2 raised to the power of x. And the values for y is they are 8 or minus 9. Okay, now when we want to use when y is equal to 8, this should be 8 being equal to 2 raised to the power of x. That is 2 raised to the power of 3 being equal to 2 raised to the power of x. So 2 can cancel 2, then we have x to be equal to 3. Now, this is the answer to this question. We are not making use of minus 9 because we are not making use of negative values. So we are making use of non-negative values, which is 8. Okay, now how can we cross-check that we are actually correct? Okay, can we do that? This is 2 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x being equal to 72. Okay, this is 2 raised to the power of 3 because the value of x is 3. 4 raised to the power of 3 being equal to 72. 2 raised to the power of 3 will give us 8 plus 4 raised to the power of 3 gives us 64 being equal to 72. Then 8 plus 64 will give us 72. So you can see that they are equal. So the value of x for this question is x being equal to 3. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.